Picture this, me, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, stepping off the plane in Orlando. Sunshine, check. Palm trees, check. The excitement of a new adventure, absolutely. The air is filled with the scent of tropical flowers, and the sky is a perfect shade of blue. Everything seems perfect, like a scene from a postcard. But then reality hits. Feeling like I just walked into a sauna fully clothed. Check, check, check. The heat wraps around me like a heavy blanket, and I can feel the sweat starting to trickle down my back. It's like stepping into a different world. That, my friends, is Florida humidity for you. It's relentless. It's unforgiving. And it doesn't care if you're ready for it or not. People around me are fanning themselves, seeking shade, and trying to stay cool. It's a battle against the elements. It's like Mother Nature decided to crank up the steam and see what happens. The air is thick, almost tangible, and every breath feels like you're inhaling warm soup. It's an experience you won't forget, and it makes you appreciate the little things, like a cool breeze or a refreshing drink. Florida is beautiful, with its stunning beaches, lush greenery, and breathtaking sunsets. It's a paradise for nature lovers and sun seekers alike. But let's be real, the humidity is legendary. It's the kind of humidity that wraps around you like a warm, wet blanket, making every step feel like a marathon. It's the kind of humidity that makes you question your life choices, like, why did I think wearing jeans was a good idea? Every pore on your body seems to be working overtime, and you start to wonder if you'll ever feel dry again. But fear not, fellow travelers. Despite the sweltering conditions, there's a way to enjoy your time here without melting into a puddle. I've been through the swampy trenches and emerged victorious, armed with tips to conquer the humidity beast. From breathable clothing to hydration hacks, I've got you covered. So pack your bags, embrace the heat, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the Sunshine State. First things first, ditch the denim. Embrace light, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. Think flowy dresses, loose-fitting shirts, and shorts that let your skin breathe. Trust me, your sweat glands will thank you. Hydration Station, Florida edition. Staying hydrated in Florida is non-negotiable. The sun is relentless, and the humidity can be overwhelming. Carry a reusable water bottle everywhere you go and refill it religiously. Think of it as a constant battle against dehydration, and you, my friend, are a hydration warrior. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring the Everglades, or just running errands, keeping that water bottle handy is essential. Remember, in the Sunshine State, hydration isn't just a habit, it's a lifestyle. So drink up and stay refreshed. My hair? Oh, honey, let's not even go there. Florida humidity turned my once manageable mane into a science experiment gone wrong. My advice? Embrace the frizz. Rock a ponytail, a braid, or a stylish hat.